Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Welcome back anyone. On this occasion we will discuss and learn about Vray SketchUp. Okay, let's first open the SketchUp file and wait a few minutes. First we will make the animation by selecting Toolbar View, Animation, Scene. Then we choose Scene 1 and 2. Then we choose Click Asset Editor on Vray SketchUp on this screen. Then we select Settings and Render Output. We can choose several options such as Landscape, Width Screen, Portrait and others. On this occasion I chose Landscape as my teaching material to you. Then I click Select Landscape with a ratio of 1080. Then activate the Save Frame and close the window on screen. I will change the render display view to make it look more attractive from several perspectives. Then I'll try to render it something like this is what the base looks like when I haven't changed the settings. Okay, look this screen everyone. This is how the initial setup looks like. It looks very dark and there is no light coming into the room. Okay, let's change the settings in Vray SketchUp. After that we make the dome light to add the background outside the window. We click on the flat floor to install the dome light. And then click Vray Asset Editor. Click this one. Choose Text Bitmap. Then import the dome light file from your computer. Change hemisphere to sphere. Change the dome lighting according to what you want. I made it to 200. And then close the window and check the render output. As we can see here, the background changes from dark to light. And then close window and add rectangle light to window. Click point to this point view. Click to this from this. Point the arrow into the room and adjust the slope of the rectangle light. Then click the Vray Asset Editor and edit the lighting according to the capacity of the room. Select the option and click Invisible. And then edit the directionality in setting. Choose the color blue for this rectangle light. Or close the window and change the exposure number to be bigger. Close the window and check Vray render output. As you can see on the screen, here there is a difference regarding the lighting where there is light entering from the side mirror into the room. Okay, we close the window, we go to the next stage. Then I will add a lamp on this shelf. Like the previous method, we make a rectangle light again for the lighting. Click point to this point. And then click Vray Asset Editor again. We chose Rectangle Light 1. Let's change the color of the lights and the lighting. And then change the color become yellow or orange. Close the window. Change this directionality. And then close the window. Check the output render. Wait a few minutes. Okay, As we can see on the screen, there is already a yellow light for the shelf. Okay, this time we will use the same way to make a lamp on a shelf. Click point to this point. Click Vray Asset Editor again. And choose Rectangle Light 2. Tip to the invisible. And change this directionality. Like the same way before, we will change the white color to orange, then adjust the intensity of the light. And then close the window. Then we will duplicate some of the shelf lights to the bottom position. Please press Ctrl on keyboard. Do it repeatedly. Do it repeatedly. OK, and then check the output render. Now you see the changes on the screen. In the picture there are some shelf lights that light up yellow, and close the window. This time we will change the material settings. Each material has different settings. The first step, we have to first click the material you want to set, 2 clicks. After the material is detected, we open the Vray Asset Editor. Then set the settings to our liking. This time I changed the reflection. OK, close the window. Then I will change the other material settings, the same way as before. Double-click the material, and then click Vray Material Editor again. Here I will change the settings the same as before, do the same method repeatedly, and close the window again. Then I will change another material with 2 clicks. And then click Vray Asset Editor, and settings this reflection material. Close the window again. Then I will change the material settings again. Do the same thing. Please note that my settings may not be the same as yours. You can just imagine according to your imagination. So don't use my material settings as a reference for rendering. I'll just make the basis for the rendering. Close the window again. This time we will change the material settings. Each material has different settings. The first step, we have to first click the material you want to set, 2 clicks. After the material is detected, we open the Vray Asset Editor. Then set the settings to our liking. This time I changed the reflection. OK, close the window. Then I will change the material settings again. Do the same thing. Please note that my settings may not be the same as yours. You can just imagine according to your imagination. So don't use my material settings as a reference for rendering. I'll just make the basis for the rendering. Close the window again. Then we will change the water faucet material to metal. OK, let's double-click this material. And then open Vray Asset Editor. Then select Reflection and change the metalness to be bigger. And change the color, become white color, and close the window. As you can see here, there is a preview of a metal material like this. OK, and close the window again. Then we will set another material. This time I will set the glass material. OK, double-click this material. Then click Select the color until detected. And click Vray Material Editor. Here I will change the reflection and opacity of the glass material. To make it look more transparent, reduce the opacity. And then close the window. Now I will change the chair material setting to shiny. OK, as usual we double-click then select the color until it is detected. Open Vray Asset Editor settings. Like the previous method, we select the reflection then we make it big so we can see the reflection of the light, and close the window again. Then I will change the iron seat settings. Do the same as before when changing the seat settings. Click Vray Asset Editor. Here I will change it to metal. I will raise the metalness setting bigger, and close the Vray Asset Editor again. And then here I will edit some property items to make it look more attractive. I'm going to make some cupboard lids. Then I'll copy it in half by holding down the Control key on the keyboard. Then select Extrude. Then right-click select Group. Attach it to the cabinet door. And then copy this cabinet door and press Ctrl on keyboard. Place it next to the previous cabinet door. Then I will copy the doll below and then I will copy it to the top shelf. And press Ctrl on keyboard. Then place the doll on the shelf while pressing the Control button on the keyboard. Then point the direction of the doll facing sideways using the rotate icon. And then move the doll to the right side. OK, nice precision. I forgot to set the table material. OK, we will set the material again. Double-click this point material. And then click Vray Material Editor. As usual we click Reflection. And then the reflection setting becomes bigger to make it look like it reflects light. OK, close the window. Then we select Vray Material Editor again. We select Settings. Then change the exposure to be smaller. I tried changing it to 13. And then click Configuration and Optimization. We can change the optimization according to our tastes depending on the imagination of each of you. When finished, close the window. Then I will try to render it. Wait a few moments. Rendering speed depends on the specs of the computer used. The better the computer, the faster it will be and vice versa. After the rendering process is complete, we save the file by clicking the Save icon. OK, this is more or less the result of the rendering. Good luck everyone. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe to my channel, so you can follow my next video. Good luck.